Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile guys password security setting. And today video title is guys how to change lock screen password in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to change lock screen password in Tecno mobile. So friends, how to change lock screen password one by one, step by step we will talk about. Friends, I have pin password on lock screen. Friends, I don't want to use pin password, I want to change pin password. So friends, how to change password? Open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone security setting. After phone security setting friends, open your phone screen lock setting. Enter your device password, enter your device pattern. Next, select your password type, pattern, pin and password you want to use. Again you want to use pin password. So friends, enter new password and you can set. So friends, I will use password setting. I will enter my name, password, lock with pin lock also. So friends, I will enter my password. After enter password friends, I will use 10. Next, so when enter your password, again same password enter, don't do any mistake. Be careful. If you do mistake, if you forget your lock screen password, you cannot unlock your Infinix mobile, also friends your Tecno mobile, and you cannot unlock your Android phone also. So friends, enter your device password and friends you can use name, password, lock, phone will unlock. So like that friends, you can change your lock screen password in your Tecno mobile. And friends, you have fingerprint lock and you have face lock. So friends, you can unlock your phone with face lock and you can unlock your phone with fingerprint lock also. So when show your face, your phone will unlock. And friends, you don't have fingerprint and face lock. So friends, you can add fingerprint and face lock in your Tecno mobile. Friends, click here fingerprint lock setting, you can add fingerprint, and click here face lock setting, you can add face lock. But friends, thanks for watching the video guys.